Hello everyone, today I'm going to draw and color my family. Let's start. Let's start coloring them. I'm going to color the father's hair brown. Father, mother, brother and sister. They are 4 family members. Let's color the brother's hair also brown. He is a boy. Let's color the mother's hair now. I'm going to color her hair brown. Look at this small cute baby girl in her arms. She looks so cute. Let's color this cute small baby girl's hair now. I'm going to color their face now. This is a small family. Look at them, they are so happy. The baby girl is wearing a red t-shirt. Yellow. The baby girl has pink cheeks. Let's color the mother's t-shirt pink. I'm going to color her pants blue. Let's color the father's shirt purple. I'm going to color the boy's t-shirt green. This is a happy family. Bye bye. See you next time.